Hey, just wanted to show you something, man. If you're having trouble putting the brake on, well, do this. See, hook it up like that with a thing. That way, you can put it in. It's really hard without doing this, man. Having to line it all up, and then just grab a thing like this, and it goes right in if you do it like this, man. I'll show you. Yeah, look at that. See, I did it, man. And then I just take my knife and cut that right off of there. Yeah. Yeah. There. See? Done. Oh, I'll get that. There. Yeah.